What is up, guys? I'm back yet again with another one. In this video, I'll be sharing a short snippet on a very effective trading technique using the daily candle. I also share my trading results using this very same strategy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy anything. All right.
Okay.
So what I mean to say is that obviously this is a key point of interest for you to buy. So when price gets in there, as much as, yes, we can be on the M15 and look for entry styles, I want you to take note of what the daily candle is doing. The reason why I decided to share this approach is that for sure we can analyze, and that's all based on past data, but the daily candle carries weight on what's happening right now. Yes, our analysis says that you should buy from here, but the daily candle, imagine if it's communicating a heavily selling candle that is leaving a wick to the top. Buying there would result in the zone being broken. Do you understand? Do you catch what the drift on what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
The candle reveals a lot when it comes to information with regards to what is the market likely to do. So, fine. With that being said, price gets in here and you have your zone marked, and then you quickly toggle to your daily candle. And what you want to see is definitely not a candle that is highly selling on the daily. That's one. Two, preferably, you want to actually see a candle that looks like it's starting to leave a wick to the bottom, meaning a rejection to the bottom. Are we together?
Yeah.
So your daily candle preferably should look like something like this, and it seems as if we're actually starting to build up to go up. Do you understand? So now it's within this that we are going to try to take advantage of the momentum of this daily candle, which seems to be buying at the moment. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, while you're on the daily candle, you have one confirmation set, and that is the fact that we're starting to reject, and it looks like we have buying momentum. All right. Another thing then is you're going to go to the lower time frames, and you're going to look for buying order blocks, or should I say prominent lows. So like maybe on the M15 or the M5, you want to see where price is throwing impulsive moves to the upside, or even like channeling to the upside. Right. While on the daily, you're toggling and you're seeing this buying momentum. And what you're going to do is you're going to try connect channel, for instance, right? And you're going to even try get key points of interest on that M15 and get an entry. So first of all, you're being informed by this daily candle that is starting to pick up buying momentum. Your analysis, which is also a buying analysis, and also M15 market structure that is giving away a buying market. Okay. So now, to give you an example, this Volatility 75-1S, that's all my students. I want you to go on my WhatsApp status because I sent them a video this morning telling them to look out for this strategy. And on Volatility 75-1S, many tripled, many whatever. But to give you an example, this is the daily time frame right now on Volatility 75-1S, right?
Yeah.
And what has the daily candle been communicating to the both of us today?
It's selling.
It's selling. But now, if you go to the lower time frames, you might find nice opportunities to buy. Do you want to buy?
No.
Why? The communication of the day is sell biased. Now, so because the communication of the day is sell biased, right? Of course, like I've said, we can always incorporate higher time frame analysis. In fact, if you're on the weekly, you would then start to see actually this thing is likely to drop for quite some time. Reason being, we've left a wick to the top, and this is a pin bar. Momentum is down. If we go to the daily, today's daily candle is down. So what can we do about this? Let's see on the M15 if there are nice prominent highs that we can take advantage of, right? Yeah. So now, where have my students been today is the question. And I want to show you how many opportunities you could have had on this market today alone in terms of whether you're scalping or whatever. Here's the first one. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Now, was consolidating, and then it moved to the downside, showing us a lot of selling sentiment. But now that daily candle as well has been selling, and we don't want to be buying this thing. When price got back in there, guess what? You could have hard, like really, really punished the account. This is the only time I'm going to give you this bad advice to say if you want to scalp and done with what you need to do. Look, I've been using this scalping strategy. Just go to my Instagram and go where it says scalps, and you see literally $100 account, no fear or whatever. If it goes, it goes. But at the end of the day, we don't focus on the losses. We focus on how much we can make. That's another mindset that I need to drive in you. That listen, the losses will come. It's part of the game. But if you focus on that alone, you're never really going to get to understand or get to feel the probability, the possibility that trading can actually arrive you at, if I can put it that way. But you really need to just stomach it and understand that, look, if this zone breaks, okay, my $20 account is gone. But if it doesn't, that account is going to become 80. That's how we look at things here. And I'm not saying make an informed decision, but with this, you're looking at that daily candle. It's going to really assist you. So today alone, we had this opportunity. That's one, right? Then, again, here's another opportunity, right? We move down like that from there, and you just wait. It's come back in this premium. You're in again. That's another opportunity. Over here, it moved down. That's another opportunity, right? So are we saying this is also another opportunity? Probably. But you need to understand as well that when it comes to trading, if a line or even a trend line has been hit many times, it's only a matter of time till it's broken. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Before it now breaks. So you want to be careful and nicely assess the instrument you're looking on. And you're like, okay, fine, there's been one hit, surely, yeah, I'm going to get in. Maybe take another chance, you get in. If you're going to take another chance, let this be the one where you risk less. You know, you understand what I'm saying to you? Because as a trader, that's how you do. You do a risk profile and you say to yourself, okay, fine, with what I'm about to do, this is the fourth attempt on this instrument. All right, so there you have it. Use the daily candle to your advantage. In closing, I would like to show you how effective this strategy is by just showing you how my students have been using it to their advantage. If I'm to quickly open up my WhatsApp, I have a student of mine here based in Ghana named Hilda, and she managed to catch a trade with this very same technique that I've just shared. As you can see over here, she says used the daily candle strategy to gain all of this. God bless you, coach. And you can see she did share an image of the daily candle here. And in terms of returns, you can see that that is a $77 account, and she was sitting at 1.3, and that is in one trade using the exact same strategy. Okay, so now we could definitely look at other students as well. I have one student of mine called Cavell in Jamaica using the very same technique, managed to also score some gains. I'll just need to really scroll down the chat, because obviously as a student he receives messages from me on a daily basis, and so we would probably need to just go down that pipeline. All right, and right here we have a trade he took, volatility 75 1S, taking $170 to 545 in one trade using basically this daily strategy technique that I'm sharing with you. All right, so it's definitely possible. Now I would like to show you videos of my own trading using this exact very same strategy, managing to actually make fascinating returns. Sit back, relax, and watch. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm back yet again with another one. As you can see, we have volatility 50 here. Basically, the basis of this trade was the daily candles leaving a wick to the top, and it was very bearish. So I was just looking for prominent highs. So on the M15 over here, this is what I saw. I saw that the market is actually channeling to the downside. And as a scalp, I just put this line like this over here. And then I got in here with a heavy lot. And right now, if I'm to open my tray in terms of profitability, this is a $141 account, as you can see over here. And we're running $457 in profit right now. And as usual, as you can see, this is a real account, right? So strategy keeps slapping, doing the most. Something so simple. So basically, this account is actually tripled in in 25 minutes, basically, if we can put it that way. Yeah. So practice makes perfect. Let's push, guys. Okay, so we're back again on the step index. This is a setup that I sent to the platform. It was a buy setup. I know some of you are in profit. And basically, we had this zone here on the H1 time frame. And we basically, I had said that if prices to come into this zone, we look for buys. So today we've just been buy biased the whole day. And so I've been looking for buy opportunities, and that's exactly what happened over here. I saw price formed this high, and then we failed to break this low. So in my opinion, this symbolizes that we are on our way up. So as a scalp method, I've entered this trade, and we're currently running really great profits. As you can see, this is a $223 account, and that account is now running at $581. Hopefully we keep pushing. And as you can see, as usual, this is your real account details right here. Okay, guys, so here's another one on Volatility 101S. You can see the daily time frame is clearly bearish, and so I'm looking for prominent highs on the lower time frames. So quickly onto the M15, I saw a nice prominent high actually. This is a scalp technique, and what I noticed was price was somewhere here, and it's started rejecting there. Then I entered with a heavy lot. So quite frankly, right now the account is doing well as usual. So we have an $82 account. It's currently on 208. Not too bad. Hopefully we can get to something better than that. We're back with that scalp again. As you can see, on the daily time frame, the market has been very bearish. So our job today was to just find bearish opportunities, just go with the flow of things. So just basically being on the M15 time frame, I did see that we're printing a bearish market structure. Simply put, we had this impulsive leg, the corrective leg, which ended somewhere around here. Then I got in with obviously a heavy lot because we're scalping for the day. And as you can currently see, we have a $56 account over here, and we're currently running $281 profit, all right? And obviously this is a real account, as you can see my details here. Same strategy. I've shared this strategy. All you have to do is use your daily time frame, and then you can really get some great movements. Yeah. So I'm back again with yet another scalp on Volatility 101S, which is obviously heavily selling today. You can clearly see that momentum on the daily time frame is actually just basically down. You see that huge red candle to the downside. So my job for the day was to just go with that momentum and obviously find areas at which I can actually just sell. So just clearly speaking, on the M30 even, you can clearly see that we had this high area here. The price moved away. Then we got back in there and we started failing. Upon that failure, I just basically got in. And now, once again, this is a $56 account, as you can see. Let me use a pen in case you can't see. It's a $56 account right here, and we're currently running at $243. And obviously, as you can see, this is a live account. You can see my real account details over here. Same scalping strategy I've been teaching you guys. If you're my students, you can see that the daily candle can actually do wonders for you in terms of risk to reward. Hopefully we can get to around 300 and something dollars from a $56 account. This is live and happening. It is very much possible. Okay, so this is a great scalp move. As you can see, we're on the Volatility 101S, basically scalping the daily momentum, so that the daily candle was basically very much selling. So just pinpointed a nice premium price on the lower time frames, and the account's doing pretty well. As you can see at the bottom here, what we basically have is a $54 account, and we're currently running on 172. So in terms of risk to reward, this is powerful stuff. This is just daily scalping. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. If you like what you see, feel free to contact me for mentorship and trading related services. You can find my contact details in the description of this video. Please note, it has come to my attention that there's a fake Telegram channel pretending to be me. Please note that I only have an Instagram and I only operate on WhatsApp. I simply do not have a Telegram channel. So anyone approaching you or messaging you first especially is probably a scam. If you want to find me, you can find my Instagram link, the link to my Instagram, which is basically in the description of this video, or you can contact me. My details are included in the description. Once again, until next time, ciao.